The allure of the backcountry has sparked a surge in outdoor culinary ambition, moving campers beyond simple freeze-dried meals to genuine gourmet cooking. For backpackers and car campers alike, the right kitchen gear is essential for morale and nutrition. This guide evaluates the top camping cookware sets available, analyzing material durability, heat efficiency, nesting capabilities, and weight-to-value ratios to help you choose the perfect kit for your next wilderness excursion. Product number 1. 17 Pieces Camping Cookware Kit. The 17 Pieces Camping Cookware Kit is the quintessential starter pack for the aspiring outdoorsman or the budget-conscious backpacker. It represents one of the most popular categories on Amazon, the all-in-one anodized aluminum nesting set. Its primary appeal lies in its incredible efficiency. Every single item, from the pots to the cleaning sponge, stacks neatly inside one another like a Russian nesting doll, collapsing into a small mesh bag that weighs under 2 pounds. Constructed from non-toxic anodized aluminum, the frying pan and pot conduct heat rapidly. This is a crucial feature when you are cooking over a small canister stove and need to conserve fuel. The material is resistant to oxidation and high temperatures, ensuring that it won't warp easily under the intense focused flame of a pocket stove. The handles are thermally insulated with green plastic to prevent burns, a thoughtful safety touch for weary hikers. What sets this kit apart is the sheer volume of accessories included. Beyond the main cooking vessels, it provides BPA-free bowls, a soup ladle, a wooden spatula, and even a folding spork. While the cutlery is basic, having a complete dining solution in one purchase removes the headache of forgetting essential tools. Ideally suited for 1 to 2 people, this kit is perfect for Boy Scouts, solo hikers, or emergency bug-out bags where space and weight are the critical metrics. Product number 2. 27-piece camping cookware mess kit for 2 to 4 people. If the previous entry was for the solo traveler, the 27-piece camping cookware mess kit is the heavy artillery designed for families and groups. When you are feeding a hungry crew of 4 after a day of hiking, a single small pot simply won't cut it. This set addresses the logistical nightmare of group camping by providing a comprehensive kitchen in a box that rivals the functionality of your home cupboards. The standout feature here is the shift in materials for the diningware. Unlike cheaper kits that supply flimsy plastic plates, this set often includes stainless steel dinnerware, plates, cups, forks, and spoons. Stainless steel is vastly superior for hygiene and durability. It doesn't retain odors like plastic, is easier to scrub clean in a river or camp sink, and won't crack if dropped on a rock. The cooking pots themselves are large capacity, typically including a hanging pot that can be suspended over an open fire, a traditional camping experience that small canister-only pots cannot replicate. The skillet is sized appropriately to fry multiple eggs or sausages at once. Despite the massive item count, it still manages to nest together relatively well. For car campers, overlanders, or families who refuse to compromise on mealtime quality, this 27-piece set ensures that no one is left waiting for a clean bowl or a spare fork. Product number 3. Aliexpress Camping Cookware Compact 1 to 2 Person Set. Aliexpress has carved out a reputation for producing gear that bridges the gap between budget generic brands and high-end premium outfitters. This specific iteration of the Aliexpress camping cookware line focuses on the minimalist who demands higher build quality. Unlike standard aluminum sets, Aliexpress often utilizes a harder anodization process, resulting in a finish that is more scratch-resistant and durable against metal utensils and abrasive cleaning pads. A key design element in Aliexpress cookware is the attention to thermal efficiency. Many of their pots feature a specialized bottom design that grips stove supports better than smooth-bottomed pots, reducing the risk of a tragic dinner spill. The lids are often transparent or feature steam vents, allowing the chef to monitor the boil without lifting the lid and losing precious heat. The set typically includes a main pot and a frying pan that doubles as a lid, a classic design that saves weight. However, Alox elevates this with sturdier, silicone-coated handles that lock into place more securely than competitors. The folding mechanism feels tactile and robust, avoiding the floppy handle syndrome common in cheaper gear. Product number 4. Stanley Wildfare Go-To Bowl Meskit, 8-piece portable pot. Stanley is a heritage brand synonymous with bomb-proof durability, and the Wildfare Go-To Bowl Meskit lives up to that legacy. While aluminum is light, many campers prefer the health benefits and ruggedness of stainless steel. This kit is centered around a premium 18/8 stainless steel pot that is virtually indestructible. You can toss this pot into a fire, scrub it with sand, or drop it down a ravine, and it will likely survive with just a few cosmetic scratches. The genius of the Wildfare Go is in its locking handle system. The handle folds over the lid to lock the entire system shut, eliminating the need for a separate stuff sack to keep the lid on, a simple yet brilliant engineering choice. Inside, you find 2 high-quality, BPA-free bowls and 2 sporks that nest perfectly. These aren't cheap throwaway plastics. They are thick, rigid, and designed to withstand hot soups and stews without warping. This kit is heavier than its aluminum counterparts, but the trade-off is longevity and even heating. The vented lid allows for straining water, making it excellent for pasta or rice dishes. It is the ideal choice for the bushcrafter or eco-conscious camper who wants to buy one pot to last a lifetime, rather than replacing warped aluminum pans every few seasons. It exudes a premium, industrial feel that typifies the Stanley ethos.
Product number 5. Alox Camping Cookware, Kettle and Pot Variation. Listing Alox Camping Cookware a second time allows us to highlight their most popular configuration, the set that includes a camping kettle. For many outdoor enthusiasts, the day doesn't start until the coffee is brewed, and boiling water in a wide-brimmed soup pot is notoriously inefficient and dangerous to pour. This Alox set solves that problem by integrating a dedicated, spout-equipped kettle into the nesting system. The inclusion of a 0.8-liter or 1-liter kettle changes the camp cooking dynamic. It allows you to boil water for freeze-dried meals or coffee rapidly, while simultaneously cooking food in the accompanying pot and pan. The kettle is designed with a short, optimized spout that pours precisely, preventing scalding hot water from splashing onto your hands or feet, a common hazard with standard pots. Like its sibling, this set features hard anodized aluminum construction for rapid heat conduction. The spiral design on the bottom of the pots helps increase surface area for heat transfer and provides better traction on small camping stoves. This set is the comfort camper's choice. It acknowledges that while we want to rough it, we don't want to struggle with basic tasks like making tea. If your morning ritual is non-negotiable, this Alox configuration is the superior choice.